What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out my channel and watching my video. Today we are making, I'm gonna try my Spanish, frijoles negros, black beans. We decided to have Mexican food for supper tonight, and I really like black beans. Mike, not so much, but I like black beans a lot. And so I am making some Instant Pot black beans. Did a little research on black beans. Turns out there's different kinds from different parts of the world. There's like the Asian black bean, which you've had in fermented black beans. This is the American black bean, the frijoles negros. It's also called black turtle bean. Who knew? Thanks, Internet. But anyway, this is Instant Pot black beans. Hope you guys like it. If you have any additions to it, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. To start a recipe, we're going to do chop up a, well, that worked well. This bell pepper and an onion. So core it. Not gonna see. Pull out some of the ribs. The way I do it, push it flat. Hello, buddy. Buddy's my dog. He's an angel. Mostly. All right, so that will go in our Instant Pot. Chop up the little refuge. I usually say that for the bearded dragon, but he's not eating a lot of vegetables this week. So he's very grumpy and picky. Now, I have a large onion, but we really want a medium onion, so I'm going to kind of roast some of it. That's fine. All right, that will go in the Instant Pot. We will also put in garlic. No, I'd rather just use this garlic. Way too lazy to chop garlic when you have something as easy to use as this. About a teaspoon of chopped garlic. All right, so we're going to set our Instant Pot on Sauté and let that get warm. Put your Instant Pot in, and I'll put about a tablespoon or so of oil, olive oil. We just want to sweat those veggies for a little bit. So while your veggies are sweating, go ahead and rinse and sort your black beans. What does that mean? Beans, when they're packaged, they just package everything. Sometimes they have like misformed beans or shriveled up beans. There'll even be rocks and just grossness in there. So you want to actually go through and sort through the beans and find those little bad pieces and pull them out. Then throw it all in a colander, run it under running water a couple of times and rinse it good and let them drip. We're now ready to load our Instant Pot. So we're going to take our washed and sorted black beans, That's 1 pound. Drop them in. We're gonna put our spices, which is 1 teaspoon of cumin, about a half a teaspoon of thyme, a tablespoon of paprika, and 2 bay leaves. Dump that in. We're gonna put about a teaspoon of salt. I use seasoning salt. I like it better. Like that. We are going to put in about a cup, which is about 2 stalks of chopped up celery. And 6 cups or 48 ounces of chicken stock. Such a lovely sound. And stir that up. This is what it should look like. Now we're ready to set it. So now we're going to put our lid on, listen for the magic sound. Oops. There's the magic sound. We want to set this to bean and chili. We want to set it for 30 minutes. Delay off, pressure high, keep warm, off, and start. By the way, this little guy right here is a really cool purchase. It is a Betty Crocker pizza oven. If you ever see one, you should grab it. It was like 30 bucks. It's probably one of my most used things. I put everything in this little guy. A little FYI. Once the Instant Pot goes off, I just let it come to pressure normal. Just don't quick release. Okay, so it's been a while. The Instant Pot is off. The pressure is released. We're going to double check the pressure is gone. It's out. We're going to open it. Check our black beans. Oh, yeah. Let's give it a stir. Very soupy, which I like. We're going to taste them for seasoning. Perfect. Yum. You guys give them a try. Make sure you put your comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.